Okay, nandito kami sa Tumana. Look what Nanay got.
Teka mo.
Ano yan? Po.
Birthday ng tito ko sa.
Birthday ko ba?
Oo, diba?
Hindi ko pa nababate. Ano na ka ba? Hanggang biyernes na lang po kami.
Tabaduwi na kayo?
Biyernes po.
Biyernes.
Maga pa. Kamyas, Nanay?
Kamyas.
Naglili ka ba?
Hindi.
Sino tatay?
Wala.
Dito kami, naliligo sa Tumana. Si Lebron. Hello, Lebron. Hi, Gento. Stop crying.
Already, wait.
Okay, wait there. Hi, King. Oh, Dakdak, ligo. Ikaw, Uji, hindi ka maliligo?
Walang damit.
Wala kang damit, di bali na, matutuyo yan. Hello, Tilorna.
Hello.
Ayun, ang ating Tita Bet. Hello, Tita Bet. Dadaling ko kayo sa London para hindi ko kayo makalimutan at matandaan. Ipe-Facebook ko kayo. Yan! Itatag ko pa kayo.
Maganda ka sa Facebook.
Nandun si King, oh. Hi, King. Go swim, King. I'll give you a challenge. Go there in the corner, on the edge. The challenge is if you can swim all the way there. That's what I used to do.
Oh, my butt.
Yeah? Go on. Swim all the way to the other side without stopping. I can swim even if it's shallow. Don't make excuses. Go. Ready? Steady. Go. All the way. Come on. Oh, what happened? You have to go all the way there. King. Come on. I'll start from this side then. Come here. Go on. Come on, King. Can you reach it? I'll learn how to swim here, so you should be able to go from here to there. Go on. Huh? If I have shorts, yeah, I will. Go on.
Oh, warm.
Go on then. Swim. All the way there. Okay, good. Hold on the side like one arm and then push off. That's it, and then kick off. One, go. Where are you going? That way. What are you doing? Hey, that way. King, that way. Huh? This is my pool, King. Tatay's training pool. Tumana's pool. Oh. Yeah. Okay, go and enjoy. I might join you later.